on YouTube? What's up, subscribers? Holy crap, look how HD I am. Well, I'm super HD now. You wonder why, huh? So I got a new camera, and I've been wanting, you know. Okay, so hold on. So that last video I had, the Formula Drift, that was really cool. I had a crazy awesome shots. Everything was like so blurry when I did the cool slow motion and whatnot. So, and it killed me, right? So a couple backstories. I wanted to get a camera, a nice camera, to get the quality going. I need those professional looking videos. And also, I'm gonna be a dad in the future. This November 15th, I'm expecting to have a boy or a girl. We don't know yet. So, we've gotta have a really good camera for that. But, other than that, going on to the story for today, I'm here at my brother, not my brother's, he's like a brother, shit. No, I'm at my buddy Alex's house, and we're doing an install that I've been wanting to do. It's not needed at all, but I've had influences. They're not really good influences, but so basically what I'm wanting to do is put this thing on that thing. So me and my buddy Alex are gonna be going at this, and I'm gonna try to do the most because it's my car and trying to learn electrical. And I wanted to get this switch and have it as a what I call a permission switch, and basically if the switch is off, I can turn my brights on and it's just the brights. If I have the switch on, I can turn my brights on and everything turns on. It's freaking the sun, right? So and then I was like, that's not full freedom. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna go ahead and install it with just how it's supposed to be. Now this bar light is from Harbor Freight. This is the 32-inch, and I plan on having it right here on this bumper, from here to here. We try to do the hood. The hood's very scary to do. There's multiple layers in the hood. It's just not a good idea. We're gonna have to do some pretty sketchy stuff to this bumper. We are gonna take it off, so that means I get to relocate this horn that you guys don't know about. That's from my old job, off of a construction, heavy equipment construction vehicle, and it's very loud. So I get to put that where it's supposed to be, and yeah, I just. You're asking why are you doing this? Because it's freaking sweet, dude. That's why. Also, if I influence you to do this to your WRX, which I don't recommend, because don't copy me. No, I don't care. But if you go to Harbor Freight and you want to get one of these lights, I highly recommend you get that wiring kit that comes with it, because it is all wired up and the work is already done. Everything's buttoned up. Is good to go. You got the fuses. It's literally going to be a plug, drill, and running wire in play. So it's good. It's such a great idea just to get that wiring kit. All right, guys. So basically, what we got to do first is take this bumper off, so we can see what we're working with under. There's like about, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts on this little trim piece that you have to take off, and then there's 1, 2, the third clip I think we already took off. It goes right there. 3 clips up top. That's the only thing you got to take off. That's up top, and then under there, I'll show you guys in a second. There's 9 clips that are like under here, this area. Maybe if I can point at one. This is one right here. So it goes all the way around. There's 9 here, and then there's a couple push clips, like this one right here. You take those off. And once you take all those off, basically this bumper is still clipped. Like they're type of clips where you pull them until they just basically not break off, but they kind of like unclip themselves. So it sounds like they snap off. You just pull it until it just like comes off, and it'll sound like you're breaking it, but you're not. And so we're gonna go ahead and do that. I get in on the side of the pin and then turn it. Or maybe I'll make this whole video fighting this one pin. That sounds like a crazy video I'd like to watch. This dude, this does not want to come off.
Oh, God. Screw you. All right, 1. That sucks. Junk. I wouldn't be surprised if I just broke the whole entire thing. No, anything that makes it easier. Ooh. Go Alex. Yeah. I was on that backside. Yeah. You get the point.
So apparently, you got all the clips off. Apparently, it's like clipped in by itself, and apparently that's all you gotta do all around. It's got these white little notches here, it's clipped in, and if you got all your clips off, you should just be able to do that all the way around. Felt great. There's like one more clip right here I still gotta get off. Just like that, she's off. Oh, wiggly. It's just plastic, man.
Alright, so basically, let me give you guys a little visualization of how this is gonna look. You'll have the lights, and this one will be kind of like right here-ish. It looks really good whenever you put it with the headlights. But I think it looks better than putting it on the hood. And so the crazy part what we'll have to do is I have this aluminum sheet or steel sheet, steel sheet, and I got it already marked off, 34 inches, and then from here to here is about 32-ish. So I plan to do 1, 2, 3 holes. And then we're gonna have the bar go across. I'll put this nice foam tape on it to protect the paint and whatnot. And then we're gonna use that steel sheet, sliver, to mount the light onto that through here. Have locking bolts on the backside, nice and flat, right there. So it'll be nice. Should be pretty easy to do. And so basically, the plan is that I'm gonna have 3 inserts that I'm gonna drill. And what this is like basically marked off in thirds. So I'm gonna put a little dot in the centermost part right there. Same thing right here. I know it's black on black, but I'll see it. And then here, basically I took the metal sliver, had it straight. I'm really good at looking if it's straight or not. And then basically the reason why I did thirds is because the metal sliver, there's a body line on this side and on this side that cuts inwards, and this metal is going to kind of come off the side maybe an inch on each side. So we're going to drill 1, 2, 3. We're going to have the metal sliver on there, and on the outermost part will be the bar light, 1 and 2, and then it'll be, you know, washers, locking nuts, all the good stuffs. Give a punch. Here's one. So far so good. Okay, so Alex has drilled 2 holes so far for the brackets on the bar light. Boom shaboom. The dreadful holes are in there. And on the side, I used to have a horn that was connected to here, and it was just pointing this way. Big horn, but it was kind of, you know, useless. And that horn, it's a lower pitched horn, and it goes in harmony with this higher pitch. Actually, no, it's not harmony. It sounds horrible. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and disconnect this one. Yeah. Oh, if it don't hurt, try again. Yeah. All right, so we should have one good solid sound. So let's see. Ooh. If you know Subies, It definitely doesn't sound like that. Come on, hit it a couple more times. Mr. Alex. That's loud. That's so much louder than usual. We're taking a break from all the drilling and hardware work basically, and we're gonna start doing some electrical. So Alex is gonna be a gentleman and start it for me. I'm basically gonna start from the battery, and we're just gonna run this wire. And this, I'm telling you guys, this is gonna be very easy. We're just gonna run the wire through the firewall and have it already connected to the switch. Like, it's literally like everything's already wired for you. He went ahead and put the relay right here up front. Probably gonna have to drill a hole into the dash somewhere. And I'm choosing, I had 3 different choices. I had right here, I had right here, or in here. And I'm thinking in here about this area. Probably the best area to have that little switch. All right, so just a little just a little test run of how bright this is going to be. Out here, let me just go way back here to all the way to this shed, and let's just say a car's coming, right? And this is me with the lights. Hit it! It's the damn sun. Just kidding, guys. This is just going to be a work light. So we got the brace on. Got the brackets here, so the light will just bolt right into here on the sides, nice and square. I'll take this tape off. That's just our marking tape. Yeah, we're gonna put the bracket on, and we're having trouble figuring out where we want to put the wiring. It's just so tight through here. Holy shit, that's a weekend job if I've ever said or done one. That took way longer than expected, but we got it on there. It is parallel, pointed parallel to the ground, best of the naked eye could see. The only solution I have for this, I did not want to do a big gaping hole because that, I don't think you can see it, but it's a really big plug-in, so I kind of just stuffed it right under here. Kind of looks bad, but it works, you know. It's just one little wire there. We took the hard part. There was a grommet back there unused, so we pulled that out and really went hardcore with the stuffing our hands up there and trying to get it through. So we ended up pulling it through. We made it go to the left, then up. I drilled a hole for a switch, and look at that. That looks like it's supposed to be there. Heck yeah. I gotta turn the car around because this thing is like as bright as the sun, so I want to point it out into the wilderness. Mr. Alex, I appreciate you helping me, man.
You're welcome.
It's always a pleasure. I know I overstayed my welcome, but look at that thing. It's cool. Here, oh, let me close the hood. Shoot. I think we got everything, don't we?
Maybe take it off the jack stand too.
Oh yeah, maybe take off the jack stand. Alright, let's see here. Oh, that didn't sound good. Okay, let's try that again. Please shut, please shut. Oh. Let's get a look away view. That's rally if I've ever seen it. The wire's not that bad, really. I like it.
Looks aesthetic.
Yes, it's aesthetic. And it's still at a good angle. Alright, now we turn this thing around and show the sun to the woods. Alright, car's running, we didn't kill it. So, these are your normal low beams, right? And this is what pisses everybody off, is your high beams, right? Well, how about these apples? BAM! Dude, that is sweet. See it from this angle. How's that rally for you? Look at that. Love it. Of course, you don't want to do that on the highway. You don't want to do it anywhere on the road because it's highly illegal. But it doesn't matter because I have it and it's freaking sweet. So that concludes it. Alex, I really appreciate you, man. That was hell. Let's not ever do a project during the week again. Yeah, it's freaking sweet, man. I can see everything now. Alright, ladies and gents, that will conclude the video. If you made it this far, I appreciate you watching. If you haven't yet, definitely subscribe to the channel so you can see more content in the future, and leave a like on the video as well. I'd really appreciate it. You guys have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one.